Hey, third grade. Today we are going to be working on representing data. Okay, and representing data is analyzing and evaluating the different types of graphs that we use in third grade. Who remembers what kind of graphs we deal with in third grade? Good. We have bar graphs, pictographs, dot plots, and frequency tables. Okay, there's 4 of them. So bar graphs, pictographs, dot plots, and frequency tables. Today, we are going to be looking at a dot plot and deciding which table matches that information. And then we're going to be taking a frequency table and matching it to the correct pictograph, okay? And then you guys are going to do a pictograph and match it to the correct table in the answer choices, all right? So I'm going to model these two, and then you guys are going to practice with one, and then you have an Education Galaxy assignment to complete over representing data. So the graph below shows the number of students who voted for their favorite flavors of ice cream. The flavors of ice cream we have are chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and Rocky Road. All right? Something really important to keep in mind when we're looking at our pictographs and our dot plots is our key. Okay, so each dot represents how many votes? Each dot represents 5 votes. So chocolate does not have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 votes. Chocolate has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, vanilla has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Strawberry only has 5, and Rocky Road has 5, 10, 15. All right, so it's really important that we are recognizing those are key. Now, if it doesn't have a key, then that means that each one only represents 1 vote, but this one does have a key. So there is a lot of information that we can gather off of our graph. All right, there's a lot. I could find the total number of students who voted in this, and we can do that. Let's try that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So 75 different students were asked for their favorite flavors of ice cream. So now I want to match the table to my to my dot plot. Sorry, this is a dot plot. So chocolate is 25. That matches. Vanilla is 30. That matches. Strawberry is 5. That matches. Rocky Road is 15. That matches. Let's just keep checking our answers. Chocolate is 4. Chocolate is 25. So this makes it wrong. Letter B cannot be your answer. Chocolate is 5. Well, yes, chocolate does have 5 circles, 5 dots, but remember, each dot represents 5 votes, so there's a total of 25 votes. So that is not your answer. And then letter D, chocolate is 25. That matches. Vanilla is 35. We have vanilla as 30, so that does not match. The correct answer here would be letter A. All right, let's look at this one. The frequency table shows the results of a survey about a student's favorite field day event. Excuse me. We have the 50-yard dash, the sack race, tug-of-war, and balloon toss. The 50-yard dash. How many students liked the 50-yard dash? Good. 8 students. How many liked the sack race? Good. 4. How many liked tug-of-war? 10. And how many liked balloon toss? 6. Good job. All right, so now I'm going to take this information from my frequency table and I want to match it to the correct pictograph. All right, so looking at our pictographs, okay, we have 4 different answer choices. And what I really want us to pay attention to here is each star means 2 students, all right? Each star means 2 students, each star means 4 students, and each star means 4 students. So it's really important that we are paying attention to our keys when we are looking at pictographs and dot plots. So looking back at this pictograph, this has 1, 2, 3, 4. But each one represents 2, so we're going to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. What is this going to be? That's half a star. If a whole star equals 1, what does half a star equal? Sorry, a whole star equals 2. What does half a star equal? Good, that's just 1. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6. Okay, well, let's see. Does this match all of our events in the frequency table? It matches the 50-yard dash. It matches the sack race. It does not match tug-of-war. So letter A cannot be your answer. Letter B. Each star means 4 students. All right, so 4, 8. So if you're not sure, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to draw 4 dots by each one because each star represents 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the next one, the sack race. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do y'all see what I'm doing there? Because it's easy to count by 2s, it's not necessarily super easy to count by 4s. I'm going to help myself. And I'm going to draw 4 little dots by each star because I know that each star represents 4 students. Now, what is half a star going to represent? Good. Half a star is going to represent 2. So I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And then again, I have a half star, and a half star represents how many students? Just 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I want to see, does this match? 8 in the 50-yard dash, 8 in the 50-yard dash. 4 in the sack race, 4 in the sack race. 10 in tug-of-war, 10 in tug-of-war. 6 balloon toss, 6 balloon toss. They all match. Let's look at letter C. Each star means 2 students. Well, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That is not going to be the correct answer. What did they do here? This is not the correct answer, but why would students choose this as their correct answer? Good. If a student just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that matches. 1, 2, 3, 4, that matches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that matches tug-of-war. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that matches balloon toss. So if students are not paying attention that each one means 2 students, you just count the stars and it does match your frequency table, but that is not what that's looking for, okay? We have to pay attention to our key, all right? Each one means 4 students. Well, I know that 2 stars is 8 students. 1 star is 4 students. 3 stars kind of trips me up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But I know that 10 students like tug-of-war, so letter B is your correct answer. All right? Again, it's really important that we're paying attention to our keys, making sure that every single category matches the categories up here. Letter A, if you had done 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and counted this as 10, you would have chosen it as your correct answer. And so it's really important that we're paying attention. Do we have a full star? Do we only have half a star? And that we know that half a star would mean 1. Here, half a star would mean 2. Okay? Same thing here. It's really important that each category matches exactly what is in the the dot plot above. All right? I want us to go ahead and look at this. This you guys are going to do by yourself. Which table matches the data shown in the graph? A, B, C, or D, and D is not here. So you need to be paying attention. Each of these circles means 2 pizzas. All right, so I want you guys to make sure that you are taking your time and doing that, and then making sure that you're taking your time on your Education Galaxy assignment. Let your teacher know if you have any questions or you need any help.